Anthropic just launched Claude Tag. And the important part is that Claude is becoming a teammate inside a place that where work already happens. So it sees context and data, it can work asynchronously, it can follow up. And if you are a beginner, this tells you exactly what to build first. Your own AI agent folder on your laptop. And this is not just another AI feature that Claude is shipping. This is a signal where the AI agents are going. So what is Claude Tag? Is a new way for teams to work with Claude. They are starting with Slack. So the Claude can join a Slack channel like a team member, and they can tag it with @Claude, and they can just give it a command. So it is selected and it has access to specific tools, data, and code bases that the team is working there. It can remember useful context in the chat and in the work that it is doing with the team, and it is doing it in only the places that it is allowed to do. So it is secure, and it can work asynchronously and follow up as well, so you don't have to prompt it every time. Here you can see a video how does it work exactly. It is only for enterprise and Claude Teams members currently. If you are not a Claude enterprise or a team customer, which I am not as well, so you're not gonna have access to Claude Tag. So the thing that I told you in the beginning of the video, this shows us where the AI agents are going. So they have to be like our teammates in our systems. This is why I told you. So the first thing that you have to do is to create an AI agent in your laptop. So it's going to be a folder with a simple structure that will know exactly, as Claude Tag will know, the context, the tools, and the access that you will give it to your laptop. You're going to be able to use it as your teammate. So basically, most people watching this video, they do not need enterprise Claude Tag yet, but you need the same pattern. So context, tools, memory, and one clear task and the follow-up from the model. So we're going to build the personal version of it. Let's jump to Claude Code. We are in Claude Code now, so we're going to click to open a new folder. So basically, we're going to create a folder and we will say it personal system, and we will select the folder. Then trust the workspace, and now when you see personal system here in the bottom, it means that you can work with it. So I'm going to use by permissions. If you don't see this from the settings, you can turn it on. It will straight away show you how. And then what we're going to use is we will just give this simple folder structure to our agent. It will know, so my AI agent, this is the folder structure that we will use. And then I will include the explanations of each file. So like this, the goal MD is going to be the destination that we are going. The business context is going to be what the agent knows about you. The offer will be what we are trying to sell. Content will be what you want to publish. Leads will be who is coming in. Follow-up will be what happening next. And proof is the testimonials, results, screenshot, and etc. And the tasks.md will be what the agent should do this week. And that's it. Then I will paste this one. So this will be one single prompt here. Don't worry about it. I'm going to include it in the link in the description for free. So you're going to just jump to the community and get it. So what we're going to say, you are my AI work agent. Read this folder and tell me what I'm trying to build, what is unclear, what should I do this week, what content should I create, what follow-up should I send. And this is the thing that we will use. But as it will not know any context about us, it has to start and ask us questions because it will not know anything about us. So let me run this prompt and see what it's going to ask us. And then you can see that it is asking, it is telling me that it cannot answer these 5 questions because there is no context. And the second option is to scaffold it and ask us questions. So we're going to say, scaffold the folders and things and just interview me to be able to answer and fill these files. And this is what you can do. And this is why inside Muro AI Academy, we do not only give these prompts, we build the agents folder, we give it your context, it interviews you, it knows exactly what kind of skills and what kind of specific psychology tricks to use in order to interview you in the best way. We create your offer, we create the posts, lead magnets, landing pages, DMs, follow-ups, proof, and automations. So you can grow your business and use this AI agent as your helper, as your teammate. Exactly how Claude Tag is working in Slack for enterprises and teams. So what we are building here is the beginner version of what tools like Claude Tag is doing. So now, as you can see, the structure is live in the folder, and now it will interview me. So it will interview you and it will go with short rounds. So you have to answer in plain English, and it will fill the whole folder and context, documents, and everything. And from now on, you can go and just use this chat as your teammate in order to grow your business. And this is just the beginner version. So if you want the free starter template and files for this and the prompts, just join the free school community from the link below. And if you want the full step-by-step system and all of the 16 skills that I have included every week, there are updates and new skills that we include in this agent, so it can write better landing pages, better offers, help you to sell, help you to make content, and whatever you are doing in your business to grow it and make more money, you can join the academy from the link below. And I'm not gonna answer these questions right now, so because it's gonna be completely individual round one, but you got the point now, exactly how you can create your agent, and you can use it like Claude Tag, how it will be used by the enterprise and teams in Slack. So it will access the context, the tools that they are giving it, and it will take actions and do tasks that they have assigned for Claude, as you can do in this way by using Claude Code on your laptop. And this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you understood exactly how Claude Tag is gonna be used in the teams. So they're just gonna use it like a teammate that will make some tasks and will have the context that they have in the specific channels and chats that they are giving it access to, and how exactly you can replicate the same thing without being in the enterprise plans and the teams on your own laptop, and to have your teammate to help you grow your business. This is gonna be it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.